Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer files to Dropbox for team workflows in Asana. Complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer files to Dropbox for team workflows in Asana, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to your Asana project dashboard. Select the project where you want to upload files. Locate the task you want to attach files to within the project. Click on that task to open its details. Look for the attachment icon, typically represented by a paperclip. Click the attachment icon to see file upload options. From the options presented, choose the Dropbox integration. If prompted, sign in to your Dropbox account to authorize Asana's access. Once signed in, you will see your Dropbox file structure. Browse through your Dropbox folders to find the file you want to upload. Select the desired file by clicking on it. After making your selection, click the Attach or Open button. The file will now be uploaded and attached to the Asana task. You can add comments or context about the file in the task description if necessary. Repeat these steps to attach additional files as needed. Once you're done, ensure the task is updated and visible to your team. Your files are now accessible within Asana, facilitating smooth team collaboration. Always check that your teammates have the necessary permissions to view the files in Dropbox. This will ensure a seamless workflow and effective project management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.